Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can change your password in DirectAdmin. Let's get started. First, log into your DirectAdmin control panel. You can open the DirectAdmin login page using this format, your domain.com:2222, then enter your username and current password and click Login. After logging in, the dashboard will open. On the top right side, you will see your username or profile icon. Click on it. After clicking on your profile, the Account Manager/Profile Settings page will open. Scroll down the page. Here you will find the Change Password option. Now you need to fill in 3 fields: current password, new password, confirm password. Your password should be strong, including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, special characters, example, ABC at 12345. After entering all the details, click on the Save or Change Password button. If everything is correct, you will see a success message and your password will be successfully changed. Now you can log out from DirectAdmin and log in again using your new password. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have found this helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel.